Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Caitlin, for those of you that haven't been here before, and for those of you that have been here before, I know this looks like a different setup. The room that I normally film in with the light that I normally use is out of commission, and I'm about to go on a trip, so I can't wait to film these videos later. I mean, I can, because, you know, okay. Hi, thank you. Now you guys can actually see the doggies. This is Oliver, he's my mom's dog. Anyways, so I'm filming in my bathroom, on my bathroom floor actually, and this is a blanket that's covering my nasty shower. So hopefully the quality of this video comes out okay. I'm going to film it and see how it goes. If it's posted, obviously I felt like it looked good enough, but I might not post it and it looks like crap and maybe I just don't have videos for a while. I missed uploading videos this week. Things have been crazy at work, and then trying to get ready for this trip, it's just been a lot. So anyway, hope you guys are, you know, enjoying me complain about my life, but let's move on. So the videos I've been doing lately are the March Eyeshadow Madness palette challenges. So far we've had Moonspell and the Norvina Volume 1 palette move on. Today we're going to look at the Urban Decay Born to Run palette versus the Melt Muerte palette. So I'm kind of excited. I did things a little bit differently today. Instead of doing, you know, kind of my favorite look or trying to, you know, a look that I would normally go to with the palette, I thought it would be fun to do looks that I've watched video tutorials on, because those are my favorite looks for both of these palettes. And so I'm going to credit the YouTubers who I got the inspiration from. I'll link the specific videos if I can in the eye. I don't know which side it pops up on, but in the eye when I'm uploading the video to YouTube, and then I will just link their channels in the description box down below. And yeah, so anyways, let's get started. So I filmed this whole thing and didn't I didn't turn my camera on. And this took a while to get to this point. So I'm just going to walk you guys through what I did. So, sorry. Anyways, I started with the Morphe M22 brush, and I took this color Sangre, and Sangre, I don't know if you can see it, it's that one. I'm gonna butcher all these names. Anyway, so I took this Morphe M222 brush and I put this shade right here. It's called Sangre, I think. I'm gonna butcher all these names and I'm really sorry. So I just packed that onto my crease, and then I blended it out with the BH Cosmetics. This is the number 10 brush, but they have a number 10 in every set. So in this set, it's just a tapered blending brush. And I blended that out without any pigment or without any eyeshadow on first, and then I took the shade Corazon and I put that on there and then blended that out a little bit more. Anywho, and then we cut our crease, and I actually showed you guys how to do a cut crease and it didn't film. Anyway, I used my Morphe M421 brush to do the cut crease. Maybe I'll show you another time. And then I took my ColourPop E18 brush and the shade La Grimace, and I packed that all over my lid where I had cut my crease. And then I took my Morphe 321 brush and we took the shades Pantheon and Noche Eterna. Sorry. So the gray and I'm just throwing now. So the gray and blue shade, and I put the gray on the outer corner, like the outer V, so to speak, and then the blue in between to blend the gray and the teal together. And then we went back in with these two brushes and then Sangre and Corazon to build up this outer portion more. So now you're up to speed, and hopefully we're recording this time. If we're not, I'm just going to give up. But I'm going to take this ColourPop cream gel liner in the shade Charmer, and I'm going to do my waterline eyeliner, so BRB. So now we're going to smoke that out. So I'm taking Sangre again, and this is the Sosu X Kaylee SK06 brush, and I'm just going to put that Well, I'm going to try to put that down here. Maybe this is not a good brush for this. Oh, there we go. And we want to take that down, not super far, because I'm going to come in with that Corazon shade to blend it out more, but relatively far, because this is a grungier look. So now I'm taking, this is the Sonia Kashuk Smudger brush, and I'm putting Corazon, that red shade, on this brush. I'm going to mix Sangre and Corazon and do that same brush, because I feel like we look like it didn't, yeah. And then I'm just going to take this BH Cosmetics one again and just lightly diffuse the edges there. Now I have my Sigma E46 brush. It's an inner corner brush. And I'm taking Angelito, which is that shimmery teal shade. I'm just placing that on the inner corner so it's a little bit shimmery. All right, so now the decision is, I don't think I want to do eyeliner. I think what I'm going to do is a very thin just line for my eyelashes. Okay, also we got a patch situation. Okay, there we go. All right. So I'm gonna do just a thin line and then come right back. Okay, so I just did my eyeliner. And now I think we're gonna move on to the other side, and then I'll do lashes for both at the same time. Now we're going in with the Born to Run palette from Urban Decay. So we're taking the Morphe M167 brush, and I'm going to wet it with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Personally, I've been using this method since I ran out of MAC Fix Plus, but I kind of like wetting my brushes with MAC Fix Plus better. I don't know if there's a difference, but anywho. So we're taking the color Drift, this gray. I'm just gonna pack that on the lid. So now we've packed that all over our lid. And then I think she went Punk then Rift. Okay, so what we're gonna do is take this is a BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. Again, it's just the number for the collection, but it's this kind of skinny looking brush. Anywho, we're going to put Punk, which is this dark brown shade, and I'm going to just kind of go over the top of where we put Drift just now. So then I think they smoked it out. I'm going to take this Sonia Kashuk blending crease brush, and I'm going to take the shade Riff, and we're just going to blend that out. And she took it up pretty high, so I mean, I did that on this one too. I don't know why I laughed at that. It wasn't funny. We've lost our homie Drift on the lid, so I'm going to build that back up on that same brush. So now what we're going to do is take this shade Jet, and we're going to create a halo eye with that. So I don't know where, when, or how I got this brush. I think it's a Lancome brush. Yeah, it is. Anyway, I'm just using the flat side. And so I'm going to put Jet on the inner corners. Like that. Okay, so then we're going to take, I think it's the shade Smog in the center of the lid. And then we're going to put Good As Gone, and we're going to kind of blend those. Basically, it's going to go like Smog in the center, good as gone on the outsides into jet. If I'm remembering this tutorial correctly, this might look totally wild. I don't know. So this is good. I'm putting, I put smog on my finger and I'm putting good as gone on my finger as well. And then I'm taking a different finger to just kind of blend all of that together. Wow, we're just messy today. We are a messy girl. Okay, so that is good. And then, yeah, okay. And then I'm gonna just line my waterline with a black cream gel liner, basically from, well, I don't know what it's the Duo one from Tarte. It's the Tarteist. It has the liquid and then the pencil liner. The cream gel is the name of the ColourPop ones. Anyways, so now I'm going to take the shade Punk, which is that dark brown again, and I'm going to take it on. This is a Tarte brush. It's this like little flat brush. And I'm just trying to smoke out that black liner. Okay, and then we're going to smoke that out a step further with Riff on my It. This is a NYX Cosmetics. This is a crease brush, but it's kind of like flat and like rounded. So I don't mind it for blending out like under my, on my lower lash, or I guess underneath my eyes. I don't know. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to actually do, I'm not going to do an inner corner highlight because we have, it's a halo eye, but I am going to do a brow bone highlight on both eye looks actually. So for this one, we'll use the shade Breakaway. And I'm using this on my BH Cosmetics number 7 brush, but again, this is just in that hot pink collection. Okay, so now we're going, just to be super tricky, I'm going to use that same brush, but I'm going to take the shade Kalaka. Okay. And we're going to put that under our brow bone on this side. Okay, there we go. All right, so, okay, so now I'm going to go do lashes and then come right back. So this is the finished look for each one. And then I just did like a cool, I think it's, oh, it's Tootsie, the lippy sticks from ColourPop, and then the Anna Frozen 2 collection lip gloss. What is it called? I can check. The ColourPop Free Spirit Glossy Lip. But yeah, which one do you guys like better? For me, I'm pretty sure this one wins. I mean, it's more colorful. This one I think is really cool and looks really cool, and it's a different look than I've ever done with that palette, but yeah, for sure Muerte is moving on. Anyway, hope you guys liked this video and weren't too distracted by different lighting and background and things like that. And if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!